Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Crescent Extend Your Limits. In today's video, I'll tell you how to get a free laptop and a hotspot when you are pursuing your master's or studying in the US. So I was a master's student at UIC and I got a free loaner laptop and hotspot for the whole tenure of my program. So I have retrieved some of the emails and the links which can help you apply for this loaner equipment and you can get one for your program. So let's get started. I might not have access to these links because I am not a student anymore, but you will get the access to it because you have the UIC email address and the password. So you can just go and check out these links. So let's try copying and pasting the first link. I'll copy this and paste it. So this is what I get. So we have to go to the first one, IT service decks, and we have to click on loaner equipment. Then we have to write a summary, a description, and attach something. I don't think attachment is needed. So we can just write requesting a loaner laptop and a hotspot. And in description, we can write like I am a master's student at UIC. I joined UIC in this like in spring or in fall, and I want a loaner laptop for my studies because I do not have one. Or if you are working as a TA, GA, or GH, you will need one for your work purposes. So I was a teaching assistant at UIC, so I got a few links from my team and I applied for this laptop and I got one. It totally depends on the availability and how early you apply. So because they have limited laptops. And during COVID, I think they had more laptops. I don't know about the present situation, but you can just, try your luck. So, and then you have to click on create. It will create a request, and this will go to LTS, which is Learning Technology Support at UIC. And then you'll get a confirmation email saying that you have created a request. And if the laptops are available, then you will get it delivered to your place. So, this is the first way. Let's go and try the second link. I'll copy it, paste it in Google. And I got page not found. So you can try this link if it works for you. Maybe I do not have the access, so it doesn't work for me. Or maybe I currently am in India, so I don't know. So you can just try this. And let's check out the third link. This was the one I got from my email address. So I hope this is helpful, but I won't have the access to this. So you see, so my permission is denied, but it shows my name here. So this is the one where you can apply actually. So just try this out. Then the fourth one is the learning technology support email address. If the links do not work for you, you can just email LTS saying that you joined UIC in this month and you need a loaner laptop, and provide the other details like your UIN number, your course name, and why do you need a laptop, etc., etc. So they will revert saying that if the laptops are available or not, and you'll be good to go. And there's one more thing I want to tell you, that you will get the laptops delivered to your place in boxes, and you have to keep that laptop box and the hotspot box with you throughout your program, and you have to return it in the same box. So by the end of your program, you will get an email saying that you have these equipments with you and the number, the serial number, and the hotspot IMEI, and then you will have two options to return the laptops or the hotspot. You can drop it off to the LTS support office, which is in the campus, and then you can drop it off at the UPS store. So if you drop those equipments in the same box, it will be a smooth process. So I hope this video helps. When I reached US and when I was studying for a few months, I didn't even know that there is something like this. You can get actually a free laptop. So I bought one for myself, which was my personal laptop. And then while working at UIC, I was using this loaner laptop. And trust me, it's very helpful because you will have a lot of stuff which you do not need in your personal laptop after your course. And those can be just deleted from your loaner laptop and you can submit that laptop. And the hotspot was very, very helpful because I bought a very cheap data pack. And I was using this hotspot when there was no Wi-Fi at home or when I was traveling somewhere. So it was really helpful. I really, really recommend you to apply for this loaner equipment. And if you get one, then you are lucky. Because during COVID, I think they have had more availability. Now it totally depends on the availability and the course you have applied for. So all the best. Have a great day. Bye.